Hello guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. Also welcome back to the mathematics class. So in this look at this one, at this particular topic in mathematics called indices. Majority of you are familiar with this, but in this video I will give you the short aspect of it and the things you must know before you can solve any indices. Before you solve any question based on indices, you must know the law of what indices, the rules and regulations that guide it to make it easy to solve. So in this space, I will explore the rules of regulation that guide this law, these indices. So for now, you can go to the calculation aspect of it. This is just the law, and next video we move to the calculation aspect of it. So when it's talking about indices only has what? It has two parts: the base and the index. And it can be expressed as we have a raised power of n. When you see expression like this, is what they are indices because it's cost to part, that is the base. This is what is the index. The base is a, while the index is what is n. So now let's go to the law of indices. So in law of indices, I will introduce you the first law of indices, which is what? Multiplication law of indices. So this one can be explained that if you have a raised power of n multiplied by a raised power of what? N. Since they have the same base, according to this law of indices, since they have the same base, you take what? One base out of it. The base is a and the base here is a. And the first index here is what? Is n, right, as n. Why this multiplication will change to plus? So we have a plus what? And the second index that is n. Is n. So which means that when you see an expression like this, when you see an expression like this is equal to what? This. And whenever you see an expression like this, it interprets what? In this form. So the second one is called division law of what? Indices. So in division of indices, we have our expression as a raised power of n divided by a raised power of n. So in this case, since they have the same base, you can take only one base out of it. The first index, which is n, and second index is 1. And this division is interpretation according to the laws of indices is equal to minus. So you have a minus what? N. So in this place now, when you have a question like this, you can interpret it in this form. And when you have a question like this, you can interpret it in this form. Okay, now the third law I will be introduced to you today is the called power index. So this one is given us if you have a raised power of n close brackets and also raised power what? Of m. So this one can also be interpreted as this our a is multiplied by m. So we can write out this our a when you open the bracket means that n times m multiplied by what? By n. And this can also gives as what? As a raised power of n m. So and the next one we have the fourth, we have this power law of 0. When you have a question like a raised power of 0, anything raised to the power of 0 in indices is always equal to what? 1. So that is the fourth law. And the fifth one I've been introduced for you today is that is negative inverse. We call negative inverse. So this one says that if you have a raised power minus what? N. If you have an expression like this, a is power of minus n, this one can be expressed as this one, that is a 1 over, because this minus is interpreted as what? 1 over our a raised power of what? Of n. So when you have an expression like this, it will give us this. And when it's an expression like this, it will give us this. So let's say the sixth one. We have the fractional what? Index. So the fractional index states that if you have our a raised power of n divided by m. So in this case, this one will give us as that is square root of we have m and a we have everything open bracket raised power of what? Of n. So when you have a question like this, you can interpret what? In this form. And when you have a question like this, you can interpret it in this form. Let's drop the curtain for this video. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, also hit the button. In case what, if you have a video like this, you'll be the first person to notify. So our next video now, we'll be looking at the calculation aspect of it. Okay, let's go to the next video.